In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a poll in Webex. Whether you're hosting a virtual event or a team meeting, polls can be a great way to engage your audience and gather feedback. Let's dive into the process step by step to make it easy and stress-free. First, you need to head over to the Webex website by visiting web.webex.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Meetings tab. This is your gateway to starting any WebEx session, including the one you'll use to create your poll. After you click on Meetings, you'll want to start a session. Simply click on Start to initiate a meeting. If you haven't already scheduled a meeting, don't worry. WebEx allows you to start a meeting instantly, which is perfect for creating and testing out your polls. Next, you'll want to click Start a Meeting to officially begin. Once you're in your meeting space, look to the bottom right of your screen. There, you'll find the Apps option. Click on it. This is a key step because WebEx uses integrated apps to enhance your meeting functionalities, including polling. After clicking on Apps, you'll see a list of available tools. You're going to select Slido. Slido is an integrated app within WebEx that allows you to create interactive polls, Q&A sessions, and more. It's a very useful tool for making your meetings more engaging. Once you've opened Slido, you'll be taken to the My Interactions page. This is where you manage all your interactive content within the meeting. To create a new poll, click on Add. You'll see various interaction options here, but for our purposes, we'll focus on creating a poll. Now that you've clicked Add, you'll be prompted to select the type of poll you want to create. In this instance, select Ranking. The ranking poll allows participants to rank options based on their preferences, which can be incredibly useful for decision-making or gauging opinions on different topics. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a poll in WebEx using Slido. Remember, polls are a great way to keep your audience engaged and to collect valuable insights during your meetings. Once your poll is set up, you can share it with participants in your meeting and they can respond in real time. This simple guide will show you how to create a poll in WebEx, making your virtual interactions more interactive and impactful. Practice creating different types of polls to find out what works best for your audience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you create more engaging and dynamic WebEx meetings.